Hey guys, we're back. Welcome to another vlog. This is Lady. Come here, Lady. We just gave her a bath today. So she is so fluffy right now. She needs to be groomed so bad, but she needs to get one more round of shots before she can be groomed and like go in public.
She's just a little spoiled girl right now.
Yeah, her fur is getting so long and we need to get her haircut very soon, but that should happen soon. Say hi, Lady. Lady. But she's so cute. She's been so good. She's actually potty trained, which is amazing and making our life a million times easier. We trained her to go out this little doggy door that we had installed. Well, actually Leif installed it and it didn't really have to be installed, but it's like in our sliding glass door. So we trained her to go out there to go to the bathroom, and she's so good at it and like hasn't had any accidents. So today's a very exciting day because guess what's getting done?
What?
Our room. We're giving you guys a room tour. It's actually not officially done yet, so I'm taking you guys with me to a plant nursery to pick up the last finishing touch for a room, which is a plant. I need one more plant, and then it's done. This has been a work in progress. I thought we would have our room done like months and months ago. We've lived here almost a year, actually over a year. Yeah, we moved in over a year ago. So this has seriously been a process, but it's officially done and I'm so excited to show you guys. It turned out so cute. I'll give you guys a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute blue and white striped top and my favorite jeans ever that I wear literally every single day. I'm almost embarrassed about how much I wear them. And these white sneakers that have been my go-to lately. I've been wearing them a ton. And then this purse that I always wear as well. So I will link all of that down below for you guys. Okay, I think I've already shown this on a YouTube video before. I don't know why I'm so enthralled with it, but it's like just a little mini measuring tape, and I take it with me all the time just in case I find something for our house that I want, and then I can measure it and see if it'll work for the space. I just love mini things. It's so tiny and convenient. What the heck, I just dropped it and it landed right there. Okay, I'm here to buy one plant and one plant only. Let's see if I can do it. Look how cute. I want my backyard to look like this. Okay, I ended up with two plants. You can't really see them that well. This one I got a discount on because it's kind of not in the best shape, but hopefully it'll live. And then I got this plant too, so I'm just gonna see which one looks better, and then the other one I'll just use in a different area. The guy at the plant nursery that was helping me saw my wedding ring and he goes, "You're married?" And I said, "Yeah, I know, I look young." And he's like, "Yeah, I thought you were 16. Here's the thing, it doesn't really offend me. It used to kind of offend me when people thought I looked young, but I just feel like the older I get, it'll just become more of a blessing. So I'm trying to just think positively about it. But honestly, I think with shorter hair, I look a lot older. It surprises me when people still think I look really young. But like the worst thing that has ever happened to me was I was at the airport and a lady asked me if I was over 12 years old. 12. I was 23. I still am 23, but this was like earlier this year when I was on a trip. She's like, "Are you over 12? And I was like, "Yep, by almost 12 years. Like, I was so shook. I'm like, "So you mean to tell me you thought I was 11 last year?" Like, awesome. So that is where I draw the line. Hopefully I look over 12 years old, because when I start having kids, people are gonna be shocked when I walk in with my kids. Anyway, blessing and a curse. Okay. We just made the finishing touch. Sorry, you're too tall for me to show all of you. And look, we're matching. I came home and Leif was wearing this. Did you plan that?
I did not plan it. It's a new shirt. I just wanted to wear it.
Fate. So Leif just planted the potted the plant, and it's done.
The problem is the pot was like 100 feet tall, and the plant was, you just got like a small plant.
Okay, so we're gonna show it to you guys. Here is the final product. So you walk in and you look up. We have two prints on the wall. We have a fun neon sign, our bed, some hanging plants, got this cute blanket and this bench, this rug, another hanging plant, and this fun little table with a cute lamp. This plant, that's the plant that I got at the nursery just barely. And then a basket full of blankets and this cute little set of books and a little tray. This rock thing. So here it is, guys. I'm so happy. I'm gonna give you guys some more info. First of all, huge thank you to Wayfair for partnering with us to decorate our room. A lot of the stuff you guys are seeing in this room are from Wayfair. If you guys have never shopped on there, it is like endless possibilities. There are so many products. Like, you are bound to find something that you like. I have shopped at Wayfair for our old apartment like long before we partnered with them. So they have awesome stuff. A lot of stuff is really affordable as well, which is great. I'm not gonna go through and tell you where each and every item is in the room, or where it's from, I mean, just because that would take forever, but I will link everything below. So if I forget something or if I didn't link something, it's probably because it's from like a local shop that's not online, so I can't link it, but anything that is linkable, I will link for you guys. I need to talk about our mattress for a second. So we have the Nora mattress, which we got from Wayfair, and I was honestly a little hesitant at first because it's a little bit more firm than our old mattress, but we are obsessed with it. For real, I would recommend it to anyone. I don't know if it's because I stopped carrying like a heavy backpack, because I used to do photography full time and I would carry a huge heavy camera backpack all the time. So it could be because I don't do that as much anymore, but I used to have really bad neck and back pain 24/7. And since we got this mattress, I'm not kidding, it has gone away. Last week actually, I had a weird kink in my neck, so that was just a weird freak thing, but I swear by this bed. I think it's amazing. Leif, do you wanna testify?
I love this mattress. Let's give you a little sneak peek.
So this is what, oh, perfect, right? With the little,
Nora.
Yeah.
I wish you could feel this.
I know, you can kind of see it. Sorry, my shadow's getting in it.
So,
it has like a cooling thing in it. That's the first thing that we were so drawn to.
yeah, it's always cool to the touch. This top little layer, which is amazing.
It's just really, really comfortable. Like, for real. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So we got the bench at the end of our bed from Wayfair, the mattress, the side tables, the sconces, the clear table right here, and this lamp. Okay, so explaining more of the vibe of this room and all that good stuff. So Leif's gonna remake the bed now. So this neon sign, I've wanted a neon sign forever. They're just kind of pricey, so I could never justify it, but finally I pulled the trigger. I got this made locally, and this is actually my mom's handwriting. If you guys didn't know, my mom does calligraphy. She teaches classes in Arizona. She's so talented. She said she wrote that in 5 minutes. She's like, oh, here, will this work? And sent it to me, and it's perfect. So I will link her Instagram right here if you guys are interested in learning calligraphy or if you just want to see her stuff. But that's like super special to me that it's in my mom's handwriting, and I just think it's really fun and kind of adds like a cool vibe to this room. So I just wanted our room to be, I don't know, pretty minimal and chill. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I love the color pink, and I just love like pastel colors. Yeah, I just wanted it to be simple. How about you, Leif? What did you want our room to be? Is it everything you dreamed?
Like
Awesome. I didn't want to put a million pillows on the bed because I knew it would just be too annoying for me to make every day, and I wouldn't be able to like stick to making it every day if it wasn't more simple. So I just did 2 simple white pillows and pillowcases, and then this lumbar pillow across. And then also I wanted the side tables to be simple, so I just have like this little wooden tray which holds some of my rings, and then just this cute vase and little flowers. And then Leif's has the amazing volcano candle, which smells so good, just on top of some books. And these prints, so this is a photo that I took on my film camera. I think I took this in Mexico of just a palm tree, and then I edited it black and white and got it printed. And then this print is just of the ocean, and I actually did not take this one, I just found this online. I wanted to do 2 photos that I took myself, but then long story, but basically the film, I'm shocked that this one even was able to print out because it's kind of low quality because it was taken on a film camera and then edited, and so it's not the best quality to blow up that big. So the site we went through wouldn't, they printed this one, and then every other film picture that I sent in that I had taken, they were like, it's just not good enough quality, like it's gonna look bad, and we're not able to print it. So I had to just find that print, which I love, online, but originally I did want it to be 2 photos that I took. I guess I could have done like a digital photo that I took, but it was just easier to find something online that went with the vibe. We are also redoing our front room. So we got a new couch, a new rug, a new coffee table, and some other stuff. And that is all on its way to us, so we don't have any of it yet, but hopefully this room is actually done pretty soon as well, so that we can give you a family room tour or even a house tour soon. We're working on our office as well. So our house is actually really close to done. It's so crazy how long it takes to get all the decor. It's just expensive to decorate an entire house, and it's a lot of planning, so I really did want to have this done a lot sooner, but looks like it's taken a little longer than we expected. But I'm super excited to get it all done, and once it is all done, we will do a house tour for sure.
Lady, what's your food?
Lately, Leif and I have been ordering food a lot just because we've been home with her and just busy. And so it's so nice to just order food because then we can order food from different places, because a lot of the times me and Leif like to eat different things. So I just ordered an acai bowl. What did you order, Leif?
Pizza.
I was craving an acai bowl, so I just ordered this. I'm so excited to eat it. But I wanted to show you guys our wedding book. I posted about it on my Instagram the other day, and a bunch of people messaged me and said, can you show more of it? Because I only showed one page of it. So I wanted to show it to you guys. I won't show you every page because it's kind of long, but our photographer was one of my best friends, Tyson. So the front just says Leif and Jaci, and then the day we got married, which was March 26th of 2016. And basically it's just our whole wedding day. So this is me getting ready, reading the note that Leif wrote to me, lady, and just like with my bridesmaids. And then this is right after we got married, and saying hi to all our friends and family. These are some of our bridal photos, which were taken in Oregon. We took them at this waterfall, and it was so pretty. So these are a bunch of photos from that day. We took these like, how long before our wedding day did we take these photos at the waterfall, Leif?
I don't know.
It was a few weeks before our wedding day. This was like our little lunch that we had. That's my best friend Chelsea speaking. And then this was our reception. So we had our reception at the Ice House in Gilbert, Arizona. And there was this sign out front, and then this was the inside. So there's no roof to the building, so it's just like open ceiling to the sky, which is really cool. I'd wanted to have my wedding there forever, and I was so happy that my dream came true. So this is at our wedding. The food, which neither of us ate. I didn't even have a single bite of the food there, but it looked amazing. This was our first dance. Some dancing photos. This was our exit. Everyone threw confetti and glitter at us. And we exited in this beautiful car. It's my dad's friend's car. And it was so, so cute. And everyone just threw glitter at us as we were driving away, and it was the best day ever. So there you have it, in case you wanted to see our wedding book. This is the back of it. One of my favorite shots of us at the waterfall. Leif, was that the best day of your life?
No, today is.
Why? Does anyone else love being in pajamas so much? I change into comfy clothes the moment that I can. When I know I don't have to go anywhere else for the night, even if I do have to go somewhere else, if it's not a place that I need to look presentable, I get in comfy clothes, sweater, sweats, whatever. I just love being comfortable. Leif got his pizza. Sorry if this is, I'm holding this weird, but. Oh, you're a cute puppy.
Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed.
And make sure, why?
Well, because if you're subscribed, then you can get notified about our videos a lot easier when you go on your YouTube.
Lady is attacking my hand. I'm sorry. It's so...
On your YouTube feed will pop up right away. So...
This is something I've never said before. But if you guys turn our post notifications on, like the little bell, then I think you get notified even faster. I don't actually know, but you guys should do that too. Thanks so much for watching. We love you guys, and
Bon appetit.
We'll see you soon. Bye guys.
Bye.